All right, quiet on set. Very hot. All right, we got this crazy brand new Brabus G63 behind me. '25 model, number 8 build of the year. And look at this. This is the spec everybody wants. It is the factory matte black, Designo obviously, and it has a red interior. So you have the ultimate color combination right here. And it's got the full Brabus WideStar kit on there. It's got a bunch of optional goodies as well. Carbon fiber around the grille. This piece is often missed. A lot of people don't do this piece, and I think this piece makes such a big difference. Looks incredible, and you get the Brabus up right in the middle. We have a red B in the front because we wanted to do some red accents to match the interior. 2 red stripes, as you can see, going down the front. We did something a little different. Normally, the accent pieces like this, the side pieces, all that stuff, normally you do like a contrasting color. On this car, it would be like a gloss black. We're big fans of this color. The matte Designo is really nice, so we opted to paint it all matte like that. So super clean look, honestly. It would be easier to do gloss black, but we did it the nicer way, in my opinion. All new hood from Brabus right here. Obviously, a lot of people were talking on the previous hood scoop saying there's no real vent or hole. Now this goes all the way through, so it will push this down and give it some downforce. We also have the roof accessories, the front visor with the lights. We have the rear roof spoiler. This car runs really hot. The fan always is wild, but we got also the monoblock full face wheels. Check those out. Really, really nice wheels. And as you can see, it looks a little lower because it is. We also lowered this G-Wagon, which gives it a more aggressive appearance. I mean, look at this, all matte black. It looks so classy, so elegant, honestly. Normally this would be gloss black, but look how nice that looks, how clean it is, the contrast with all the matte all over. Red Brabus here, light up Brabus here when you open the doors. And obviously you have the lights with the WideStar, so now when you're getting in the car, you can see your side step, so that's a cool functional piece. Brabus exhaust right here with the black chrome tips. Everything's authentic, obviously, as you guys know with RDB. Rear spare delete, which is my favorite. Some people do the spare cover from Brabus, some people do the spare delete. I think the spare delete is really, really clean because, you know, there's a box and it really gives that box appearance. Obviously, goes to our good buddies at Champion Motoring. We've done many builds for them. I think we have another one coming. He wants to do a white with black Brabus G-Wagon. He also wants to do another Performante URUS. So a lot more to come. We're very proud of this build. Looks amazing. On to the next one.
That suspension is probably no over exaggerating, 50 grand to make that work.
It went up high.
You guys saw that beautiful show by that Chevy Lowrider. So yeah, back in the days, you know, when we were kids, you used to see a lot of those. Are they still respected? Yes, of course. It's really fun to see. It's fun to see when like live. So you guys see that in movies and videos and all that stuff. But when you see it live, it's actually that much more fun. But yeah, man, that's a pretty cool car. So I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Aquí dentro de mi ser, los placeres que una me brindaron. I listen to music.
What are you working on?
Yeah. I don't wanna lose time. I have another body kit.
Why are you slapping so hard?
Oh, black because we can have some couple clips. If you don't do like this, but you have to know how to hit it. You cannot just you can break it. So you have to mold your hands like whatever you're gonna hit. You see? Like that.
Can you do me one favor? Can you clean the window? So I want to put tint, but it's very dirty. Can you clean with alcohol, please? Just 1 minute only. Bring this one. Right rear glass for the Porsche. We just have to clean it real quick so I can put clean only. So yeah, the back glass, the one in the back. Can you clean? Thank you. Yeah, thank you. All right, you guys. So we have this Porsche here. Unfortunately, somebody, of course, this is happening a lot. So vandalized. It's just an ongoing thing here. So I don't know what's going on, but there's a lot of cars being vandalized. This is one of them. You see the rear glass is already destroyed. Besides that, the complete rear seats, there's glass all over inside. It's very dangerous, so that has to be replaced. So that's what we're going to do. That's about it for this one. Thanks for cleaning the glass. We have a beautiful Rolls Royce Wraith here. This car has a couple of unique colors on it. So what you're looking at right now, this is a gray combination with a beautiful turquoise or blue. I don't know what they call this thing. Anyway, it looks like Tiffany blue, Tiffany green, whatever. It's a very nice color. So what we're gonna do with this car is, you guys probably have some kind of a hint already. We're gonna do a blackout. Some of the parts on this car already are blacked out. So the window trim's already done. Comes like that from factory. Also, the molding on the hood also is black. And then some of the rear parts in the back are black. So the parts that we're doing is, we're gonna do the grille. We're gonna do half the grille, this exact color, and the other half we'll do black so it looks nice. The Spirit, we're gonna go ahead and put the light up one. That's coming, we're waiting for it, so it should be here soon. All right, so we are blacking this puppy out here. We're gonna also black out all 4 of the double R emblems, and in the middle, we're gonna do our nice thing that we always do, which we're gonna do blue. Make all the double R's blue, everything goes black. We have black door handles that we're doing. Oh, there we go. I was gonna say we're about to do the exhaust tips, but John beat me to it. So exhaust tips are already painted, good to go now. And we're waiting for the wheels. So the wheels, we're gonna decide what we wanna do. We don't know yet. Waiting for the customer to respond. Basically, we're not gonna put new wheels on this thing. We're just gonna make it, he wants to make it drivable, safe, fun, nothing crazy. We're not doing 24s on this. We're gonna leave it stock. And that's basically about it. Look at him. It's Rolls Royce Cullen. This car, the person who's working on it, his name is the famous Javier Make It to Break It Salazar. So he's putting the car together now. This car, we just finished a clear bra on the rear end of the car. Now we're putting the trunk back together, assemble the trunk, assemble everything else on the rear side of the car. Javier's almost done, so as soon as this car's done, it is on the way to the client's house. Good job, Javier. You're gonna get a reward.
Salir todos los días, hay que salir.
Ah, ¿quieres salir en el video otra vez, ah? Ya.
Voy a hacer salir aquí también.
Ya tienes aburridos a todos, güey.
No, fíjate que no.
El video, sí, ya.
Díganle a Javier qué es lo que pasa cuando no salgo yo. Papá. Pero Javier, guapo.
Pregunta todos por ti.
Ay, hey, ¿te gustó mi pistola, va? Tiene un año
Como
con
que
mi
trabaja y
pistola.
no trabaja. A veces
Pistola.
afloja y a veces no afloja.
Pistola. Un año testeándola. No jodas.
Trial or qué?
Yeah, try.
1 year trial?